My people, una welcome to today news. The news wey dey here today e go shake una for body. On the news tonight, this one na international news. The International Association of Nigerians in Diaspora, wey our people dey call IAN, for their emergency meeting wey dem hold this morning for America, wey many other people join through Skype and Zoom, they don come out with 5-point COVID-19 agenda. This message na for our brothers and sisters wey dey Naija. According to our story person wey go do the amebo come give us, e say na the following 5 matters na im dey reach. Number 1, dem say make we tell una say those people wey dey call village people, say abeg make una send foodstuff and make una make sure say una add small agbo join come give them. People go dey wonder how they go take bring the things. They say make una no fear. Say this na the time for us to use our traditional pilots. Those ones wey sabi fly well. Now make them use their talent. Because hunger won't finish people for here. Their belly don't gone back. The number 2 point be say this one, the message na for pastors. They say abeg make we tell una say shebi una talk say if people dey pay their tithe, say devourer go dey run from them. Say na lie o, this time around, say devourer dey inside their sitting room. Because of that one, they take God take beg una pastor. So all the tithe wey they don pay give una since December 2019, come reach February 2020. Say make una return am. Say if not, make una ready for EFCC. Number 3, they come turn say abeg make una no forget to send them small dogoyaro leaf and lemon juice, because they need them for here to prepare their own COVID-19 vaccine. Say they believe say the thing go do small wonder for them for Obodo Igbo. This number 4 point, my people, e shock me. I see they fear, but I will tell them now wetin they talk. They say during the meeting, most people join through Skype and some join through Zoom because na very crucial meeting. They can't reach the agreement, say abeg make them make sure say they put small, in fact additional fuel for the flight where the traditional pilots go use take come, because people don't agree for here say they won't return to Nigeria. Immediately when the chairman come mention this matter, the meeting almost scatter. Because our brothers and sisters who are there for China, they not agree, they vex. They say they die here. So say for waiting now, when charity refuse to begin at home, why they go return home? They not agree, they die here. Others can't say no, they never buy market finish. They must buy their goods finish before they return. Make the meeting for no scatter. The moderator of the meeting come to say, okay, make peace for rain. Anybody wey want return to Nigeria fit return. So long as the person knows say na garri and sugar na im go eat for there. The final point, this one he make me fear people. They say during the meeting, na the chairman phone come ring. Somebody from Nigeria na im call. Say abeg, him get one thing wey him wan plead. Say since those people dey near Ogadona, say make dem beg am whether people wey don already book their visa appointment for America to come US, whether they go fit conduct visa interview give them through Skype or Zoom, so that they go get their visa done. If Koro finish, they go fit come join us wey dey for here. My people, I dey fear Naija people. This one are the news tonight. So the thing be say the number 5 no been follow for the agenda, but because say we love our people, we don't agree, we don't draft the letter, we don't sign am. We go send am to Ogadona tomorrow morning. Oh, okay, we go leave am on Monday, we go send the letter, because before postman go come carry and go, it go take time. If they don't send the letter, we don't get reply, we go come back to this news, come tell una alpha, make una come back, come listen to the news. My people, I thank all of una. Make una sleep well. Good night.